Welcome to aceplace.co.nz. This video is to teach you how to create an ACE place on the website that people will be able to find and sign up for. What is an ACE place is probably the first question to answer. So an ACE place is a small course or learning activity that you might want to offer from your home or from another venue, where you might be, for example, teaching people how to cook particular cuisine or how to do some sort of craft or anything else that are skills that you have that you'd like to share with the community. So let's get started. The first place we need to go is into the My Place. So we've logged into the site already. So of course the first thing you need to do is to register on the site. We've got a couple of videos about how to do that. But then once you've registered and logged in, go to My Place. And then on the left-hand side, under My ACE Places, click that menu item, and you have the option here to create or request an ACE place. So that's what we want to do. We're going to create an ACE place. So before you do that, of course, just have a wee search on the site to see if there's anything existing in your area offering exactly what you're offering right now. If there's not, then obviously you can go ahead and put your ACE place together. So the first thing you need to do is choose your location. So let's say we're going to do this in Orewa, and what the interest category is. So we want to run a little cooking class. The name of your ACE place, learn to cook Japanese food, and put some information in here describing your course and what you're offering. It might just be, that your ACE place is going to run for a few nights or maybe on Saturday afternoons, teaching a small group of people how to cook Japanese food. Okay, so then we go click next. You wish to create an ACE place, so that's what we're doing in this particular video. So we want to put some tags in here, people who are interested in cooking. Just hit return once you put that tag in there. Japanese food, learning to cook, and anything that you think will help people find your particular ACE place. Put your street address in here. So here we go. Let's say, where are we? 111 Great South Road, and if you have a website you can put that in there. If you don't have one, you don't need to include it. You do need to add a cover photo, so you need something that's suitable that you can upload here. For now we will just upload our puppy image because we have it in the folder, and also our profile photo, so you want to upload that as well. And we might just put the ACE logo in there and accept the terms and conditions. So once you've got all that information in there, you can carry on to the next step to create the ACE place. Now, it takes a little while, so our admin team need to make sure that there isn't anyone else running a similar course in your area, and also just to approve your ACE place. So within a few days, you'll receive a confirmation email that will let you know if your ACE place is up and running, and then when you visit the site, you'll be able to see that your ACE place has been created, and you can then start to manage your ACE place. So check out the next video, which will show you how to add members and do all the other administration things relating to your ACE places.